In this video, we're going to review the parts of the hip bone or os coxa. So to make up the hips or pelvis, we actually connect two of these bones anteriorly at the pubic symphysis and posteriorly with the sacrum. So we're going to look at this bone one at a time first before we look at them together. So our os coxa is technically made of three pieces. So this whole piece here is called the ilium. This part here is called our ischium. And then this part in the front is called the pubis. So that's going to be the three main parts of the os coxa, or one pelvic bone. You can see that there's a large depression right here. This is called the acetabulum, and it's made up of all three parts of this bone. This is where the head of the femur is going to articulate, so the hip can attach to the body. So this is how we attach our leg to our body, with this acetabulum. Directly below that, you're going to see a large hole or foramen. This is our obturator foramen, and it's kind of in between the pubis and the ischium. The ischium is very posterior and is going to be where you sit. So if you ever sat for a long time in lecture and your butt hurts, it's because of this. This is your ischium. This part right here is your ischial tuberosity. It's this big round flat part. Moving up to the ilium, we can see our iliac crest, which is this crest that makes up the hips that you can kind of feel at the top of your pants. We are going to have different projections coming off of this. So this is our iliac spine. This is our iliac crest. Here is our anterior superior iliac spine. Below that, we're going to have our anterior inferior iliac spine. Following the iliac crest to the back, we are going to see our posterior superior iliac spine and our posterior inferior iliac spine. We can also see our sciatic notch right here. Here is where the sacrum would attach, and then again we would join these bones anteriorly to make up the pelvis.